big girl. Stay there, big girl. We're gonna work you. Okay, guys, Cars and Coffee back. I found the head cam, so you get to come along with me on a gator wrangle. This is every bit of 6 feet. Do not try this shit at home. I've done this before. Do not mess with gators. I'm not a professional, but like I said, I've done this before. I repeat, do not mess with gators. See one, leave it alone. You will lose a limb, or even worse. She's probably going to just grab it in death row, most likely, which is fine, as long as she doesn't charge me, right? Alright, here we go. First try. Come on, baby girl. Come on, mama. I'd love for her to lift her snout a little bit. You see I'm trying to get it under her snout. It's okay, baby. It's okay, mama. Come on. Come on, I need you to lift her snout. Okay, she's about to freak out. She's getting nervous. You hear that hissing? Not happy, that's what that means. Just gonna go slow. I don't want her to charge me. Gators can run 20 to 30 miles an hour. Okay, that's good enough for now. That's all I wanted to do. I'm gonna let her relax a little bit. Repeat, don't try this shit at home. You will lose a limb or be killed. This gator is 7 feet. It can easily kill a person or swallow a small pet whole. I said I've done this before, so I know what I'm doing. At some point and you live in Florida, you're gonna encounter a gator. So got the gun just in case I don't plan to use it. Just in case. I don't want her charging me. I said they can run 30 miles an hour. So if she does charge me, I need to be able to get the hell out of the way.